There's the Ecology Center. It's not open today, I don't believe. We're gonna go down here, slide up the end of the road, looking for a trail. Down to the river. There's some really cool frozen ice on the bank. A lot of the snow at this section of the state has been melted already. It's still really pretty out here. We are at the Cathance Nature Preserve. We did want to do a bigger hike up a mountain, but Matt is on, what are you on?
On-call backup.
On-call backup, sorry, because he's actually on call next week, but they haven't taught him how to do that, so he's on-call backup, so he can go in if the other person gets called in and learn what to do for the following week. So that means he can't go more than an hour away from town, so we couldn't go very far, and if we were at the top of a mountain, wouldn't be able to get down quickly. So we wanted to still get outside, and we went over here. And it's still pretty nice. Not quite an epic adventure, but it's still beautiful, so...
It's not over yet. It could still turn epic.
Well, hopefully not too crazy, but like our last epic adventure turned. Even though we're not doing an epic mountain, we do have an epic trail food with us today. So yesterday on my lunch break, I went to Holy Donut because it's the only place I know of in the state of Maine. There may be others, but it's the only one I know of that sells vegan donuts. And today we have before you a triple berry vegan donut that we cannot wait to split. They are amazing, and yeah, too bad you can't taste how good it is, but look at it. It got a little smushed in my back, but it'll still taste the same. Very good.
Go buy one. Or 6.
Alright, so to conclude today's video, because I didn't say goodbye off on the trail, here is our usual dining experience every day after we hike. Not every day, but each time we hike. And that is our pizza. And don't worry, the pizza is all vegan, and it is absolutely positively delicious. So thanks so much for joining us, and keep hiking. See you next time. Can't forget the beer.